I'm Roger with Factory Cleaning Equipment by John Donnan. I'm going to show you this morning how to operate a Wd26, including taking it off the pallet and put it in full operation with a wand. So you have orange straps that are holding the machine down when it comes in. You just cut those straps. There's blocks of wood on either side to hold the wheels from rolling around the pallet. You can take a crowbar or a screwdriver and pop those off. Then on the back you have 6 bolts that are bolted into the pallet, and I've taken 5 of them out. Take the last one out. You can do this with a socket, but this is an impact driver, works a little better. This is your squeegee. You set this aside. You take out this block here, turn your machine on, put it in reverse, and as you back up, it will tilt, roll off the pallet. Just that easy. Then you want to attach your squeegee. You look right here, you have 2 black star knobs. They go right here. You just tighten those down. Hand tight. And then you hook up your vacuum hose right here in this slot, and the machine is ready to operate. Okay, first thing you do is you put water in this, under this cover here, and there's a screen you'll find in here. This screen is made to keep getting trash in your clean water so it doesn't stop up your solution filter. The tanks are on the side that hold the clean water. This is your sight tube, and you can see how much water you have in the scrubber. You can raise it all the way up to here. It actually has graduations on the tank, so full is up to here. Right now you can see it's like less than 1/4 of a tank. Fill it up, it holds 12 gallons. Then the brushes put water to the floor. You lower your squeegee and vacuum. To operate the machine, you have a forward and reverse switch. So you also have a neutral. So you have forward, the machine will go forward after you turn it on. It will go forward and reverse. This is your speed control. You can make it go fast or slow. When you're scrubbing, you want to go slow. This light right here shows you how much charge you have. Once it gets down to the red, you need to charge it. Here's your battery charger right here. That's the controls right here. You just pull this tiller and the machine goes forward. Nothing happens until you pull this. Then you have brushes in the front. The brushes are already on this machine, but to take them off, you just push them down like that, pop them off. There's what the brush looks like. It has a hub. You just put this underneath, pop it on, the brush is back on, just that quick. So you want to take your brushes off periodically to clean them and make sure there's nothing wrapped around, that kind of thing. You come to the back. Once you want to start scrubbing, you push this pedal here and it lowers the scrub head to the floor. So when you pull the handle down, it will start scrubbing. To lower your squeegee, you just take this handle, drop it down, and now your vacuum will come on. So when you pull this handle, nothing happens until you pull this. Bring it up a little bit. So now you're scrubbing, and you can see it's picking up water. When you want to stop, pick up your scrub head first, go forward and pick up the water you have on the floor, and then you can raise your squeegee. You can see how dry the floor is. It's bad for 15 or 20 seconds and then it will shut off. It's sucking the water out of this hose so it doesn't drip on the floor. Okay, once you run your scrubber, the vacuum will shut off when the tank's full. This is your dirty water in here. So this will be full. It cuts off automatically. There's a little tubular screen here with a ball in it. Once the ball is raised up by the water level, it will shut the vacuum off. You want to clean that periodically and make sure it's not covered with debris. Then your drain hose is right here. You unhook it. If you look closely here, it's got a notch here. You turn this, and as you turn it, it regulates how fast the water comes out. And you can take it all the way off, but when you close it back up, make sure that you got that notch there. If not, it will suck air and it won't vacuum the water off the floor. So just attach it right there. This device right here regulates how much water you put down. So you can put down very little or a lot. You have a little knob here where you can find out where the sweet spot is and always go back to that same spot. So that's how to operate the machine. Okay, if you ordered a wand kit, you get these accessories. You have your hose, you have your wand handle, you have a handle that you attach, and then you have a scrub head on the end. You have a brush on one side, and this wand will flip over and you have a squeegee on the other side. So you brush the floor, and then you flip your squeegee over and you suck it back up. This is a wand that's already assembled, and you can see the brush on one side and this flips. So you scrub like this, you flip it over like that, and you suck up your water. This is your trigger here where you actually spray the water onto the floor right here. So I'll show you how to hook up your hose now. Okay, to attach your wand and hose, this is how the procedure. So you take your squeegee hose off. You'll have a fitting that you'll put on the metal fitting that can make these two hoses connect. And then you'll hook this to your water supply in the front. So this is a male-female hydraulic fitting. You just pop it in there like that. Then you hook up your wand like this. You have a male-female. Pop that on. Now you have a trigger here. It's just going to spray water on the floor. So the vacuum is on in the down position. The key is on. You flip the switch. Vacuum comes on. You spray. Puts water on the floor. So you scrub. And then you vacuum the water up like that. Go back to normal function. You make sure you turn your your switch off here. It turns the vacuum off, and just go back and reverse the process, and you're back scrubbing it again.